Fundamental charts is a highly dynamic tool that's great for telling compelling narratives and improving communication between you, your clients, and colleagues. It's also incredibly easy to use. To get started, you can navigate our extensive library of pre-built templates to kickstart your analysis. As an example, simply clicking the US Treasury yield curve template will auto-populate the chart with the yield curve on over a 20-year look-back. You can further modify charts to your liking, such as by pulling in securities or indicators, like the 10-2 Treasury yield spread. And you can also annotate charts by adding min, max, and average lines, putting certain indicators on their own panel, and adding a nice area chart for further emphasis. And in just a few clicks, you have a stunning chart, in this case, one that illustrates the potential implications of a negative 10-2 spread. Now, let's say you're meeting with a client to discuss portfolio performance. It's easy to pull in equities, funds, SMAs, indicators, and even model portfolios into fundamental charts. Let's say our client is invested in an 80-20 portfolio. It's easy to change the data format to percent change over a time frame, adjust the time frame here at the top, as well as change the data format to growth of $10,000 over time, or show max drawdowns for the time period. In this case, we can see that our client's 80-20 portfolio has generally withstood drawdowns a bit better than an all-stock index fund. You can also go beyond price and total return and evaluate a plethora of financial metrics seen here. As an example, you can bring in annualized standard deviation to understand risk associated with your portfolios. You can also split the panel layout to show panel per financial metric, or show the financial metrics by security instead. Lastly, you can mock this chart up further by adding custom annotations such as text boxes, shapes, or lines to further illustrate trends or points that you see on the chart. When you're all ready to go, you can hop into presentation view, where this chart will then be able to be exported to an image, sent directly to your printer, shared with your team, or directly to your Twitter account in just a couple clicks. Fundamental charts makes it extremely easy to visually illustrate insights and improve communication with your clients, prospects, and colleagues. If you'd like to get started with fundamental charts, talk to a product specialist today or start your 7-day free trial with no credit card required.